Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale. Today we're going to make something super fast, super easy, but you're going to love it. We're making homemade Dole Whip. It is so easy, it requires 3 ingredients which you might already have on hand with the exception of maybe frozen pineapple. You're going to love this, and if you've been to Disney or if you've ever had Dole Whip before, then you know how delicious and creamy and pineapple-y it is. You're going to absolutely love it. My mouth is watering because I love this so much. All you need is frozen pineapple. I prefer the Dole brand of frozen pineapple. I think it works absolutely best, and it's the most flavorful and the sweetest. You need a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and you need some milk of your choice. I like some coconut milk that I chilled in the fridge. That just happens to be what I like the most, but you can use any milk that you have on hand. Those are the only ingredients you need. You don't need anything else, and you're gonna get so much flavor out of this, just you wait. In a powerful blender, you're going to add everything, all 3 things, the frozen pineapple, the scoop of ice cream, and the milk. Now, the scoop of ice cream, you're going to say, is it really worth it? Yes, it is. You want creamy deliciousness, don't you? That's how you get it. That is like the secret ingredient to making really good Dole Whip. So, adding everything in, putting the top on, and we're just going to process this until it's super creamy, super smooth, super delicious. My mouth is watering. And we are going to love it. All right, pop this on, and here we go. Look at that. That is what you want it to look like. I'm just gonna put some in that little cup there just for me. It is absolute perfection. You can pipe it out if you want to. I don't got time for that, but I want to tell you, be patient with your blender. Chances are, because you're working with so much frozen pineapple and it needs to be frozen for this, for you to have the same texture, you're gonna need to stop it and like mix it, a few times before it's all done. Just because, like, again, it's just a lot of frozen pineapple. That makes me happy. Just the flavor of that makes me happy. Pineapple-y, but it's sweet. It's creamy, it's phenomenal, and it requires 3 ingredients, which you might already have on hand. Go to laurainthekitchen.com. I will have the ingredient list written for you. Do this however you want. Put more ice cream, put more coconut milk, however you want it. The world is your pickle. The kitchen's your pickle. You do you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.